Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so attractive and very stylish collection of shaggy haircut in short hair with beautiful hair dye, very attractive and stylish hairstyling, and very stylish and beautiful ideas of shaggy haircut in short hair with beautiful hairstyle and hair dye for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. After a long time, I come beautiful ideas of shaggy haircut for you. And in today's collection, very beautiful ideas of shaggy haircut 2023 ideas. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about haircut in shaggy. Some ideas layered, deep layered, and some ideas step, and very beautiful ideas of choppy and notching haircut, and some collection with bang and chin length bang, nose length bang, too short hair, and some ideas shoulder cut, and very attractive ideas of hair dye, blonde hair color, burgundy hair color, light brown, dark brown, ash color, and very beautiful ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and very beautiful ideas of hairstyling. In shaggy haircut, hairstyles, messy hairstyle, and some collection in spiky hairstyle, and almost in today's my collection messy hairstyle, and so beautiful overall collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I will become with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I will wait. So then, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care yourself and take care your beloved ones, and those around you. I hope you do it. So then see you in next video. Take care and bye bye.